All right, so we got day number 30 of eating a whole apple using only my front teeth until I reach 10,000 followers. The only catch is, I don't have front teeth. We've made it a whole month of eating an apple. Today I got a Cosmic Crisp, probably some kind of Honey Crisp apple. Let's get into it. I don't know if I'm just hungry or I just got a sweet tooth right now, but that was pretty fire. It had a great taste to it. I would give it like an 8 out of 10. I want to eat this again to see if it's really that good because solid. Every day till 10K. How many months is this gonna take? Follow me.